What's up, guys? It's Firefox. You already know. Welcome to this brand new video. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today it's a short video. I'm just gonna show you guys how to make some dirt cake. Let's get right into it. We about to make some dirt cake. Here's what you need to have to make it. Okay, so you chop up a whole box of Oreos. All right. Mix 1 stick of melted butter, a block of cream cheese, and a cup of sugar. Mix it in there. Then you want to mix 3 cups of milk, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 vanilla puddings, and an 8-ounce thing of Cool Whip into another bowl. Then you want to mix these two together. Okay, now we're going to do the layers. Then you can add a couple worms at the end to top it off. Thank you guys for watching. Dirt cakes being really good may be an unpopular opinion, but not in my case. I love them, so I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure you guys subscribe and kick the like button in the face, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace!